What it do, ladies and gents, boys and girls, Terrence here, and I am back with another video. Look at the city. Look at the city. Look at the city. We out here, live and direct. Another mini bike video, okay? Going down the hill. You know what I'm talking about? Now, so in the last video, hey, how you doing now? In the last video, in the video before last, my brakes went out. So I posted a video talking about my brakes. But what I'm about to do right now, you guys, is bend the block. Now I ran across this park right here. You know what I'm saying? Not too long ago, and I was telling myself, I said, hey, when I get my brakes did, I'm gonna go off in there. Oh, they got water right here and everything. You feel me? Oh, damn. Come on now. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Uh-oh, I almost fell. Oh, 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 okay. What you mean? What do you mean? Dude, seriously, right now. Right? Oh, what they got right here? The Blair Witch Projects. Okay, what is going on down here? Okay, what do we have here? What do you mean, cuz? What's going on over here? Okay. What do we got going on over here? And, okay. What? Oh, first off, let me say this. What are these? This is what's kicking my butt. It's a few of them. Bro, it's like a stick graveyard around here or something like that, man. Come on, Minnie. Like, for real. Like, seriously, like, what's going on out here? You feel me? All right, let me turn around. Let me go up here. Hey, now, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. You feel me? You know what? You know what I'm talking about. Cut the gas off. Ugh. Well, we got traffic is thick out here today. Stop playing with me. Traffic is thick. Okay, it's look at the Challenger. Sleep. I don't know. Personally, I wouldn't paint my car like that because if I'm speeding and running around, and if I was to buy a car like that, you know what I'm saying, then you already know. You feel me? If I was to get something like that, then y'all already know I'm out here racing around. So I ain't gonna want nobody to like notice my whip. You understand me? You feel me? Hey y'all, out here. You know what I'm talking about? Got another one. Got Minnie with me. Minnie. You know what I'm talking about? Got Minnie out here with me, man. The brakes went out. I had to get new brakes. You feel me? The brakes had went out. I gotta get new brakes. So what I'm about to do right now, you guys, I'm about to ride around this park. You feel me? About to ride around here, bend a block or two. But before we get started, you know what's kicking my butt is that, I just want to say it. What's kicking my butt right now is that they got these little, I don't know if y'all remember, you know what I'm saying? Some of y'all do, some of y'all don't. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all remember that movie, The Blair Witch Project. Some of y'all remember, some of y'all don't. About them folks in the woods and stuff like that. And they had these little bitty, like little sticks that was formed to like little houses and stuff like that. Like right here. You know what I'm saying? Like they had them. Look at all these sticks that's just in the ground like that. Look at this. You feel me? Right there, there. I don't want no smoke, so I'm just gonna get out the way. Okay. Oh, they listen. They reserved my table for me. You feel me? I got it reserved. Oh, yeah. They reserved the table for you, boy. I'll wait on them to reserve the table for me too. You know what I'm talking about? But I need to get up out of here. I feel like somebody watching me right now, but I don't know for real. I'm just saying. I know I said it in last when I was riding that trail bike, I was like, feel like somebody watching me, but I do feel like somebody's back there. But apparently there's a trail. There's actually a couple trails. I'm gonna show you guys a few. I'm gonna show you two of them right here. So this is one here. There's a trail going up here. I ain't gonna take that route. I'm gonna take this trail right here. That's going down this way right here, y'all. I got mini with me, I got my book bag. You know what I'm saying? I got that thing with me. In case something get crazy out here, okay? And then we got the traffic on a Friday. This video right here will be posted up Sunday. I gotta edit it. And I got so much other stuff to do. I will post it later on today. But this video right here will be posted up Sunday morning, you guys. Give you some, you know what I'm saying? After you go to church, after you pray, give you something nice to watch. You know what I'm saying? Oh, there's a bear. Just kidding. All right, you guys, let's get to this trail. All right, where we going, man? Where we going right now? Okay. Where we going right now? Feel me? Oh, where we going right now? Okay. They got a trail right here. I'm just gonna go in there and see what's in there. See what they got. What's okay, they got two spots. You can go here or here. Yes. Here we go. Okay. Alright. Let me not get off track. I'm telling y'all, it's the Blair Witch Project in here, man. Oh my. I didn't get out of here. I'm telling you. I need to get out of here. You feel me? Let's ride, Clyde. You feel me? Let's get out of here, man. They come and get us. Okay. What we got right here? Slowing down. Okay, look at this. Okay. Okay, what is this? I almost broke the toe. You feel me? What we got right here, y'all? Okay, here we go. Okay, bring it around town. Let's go, T. What is this? Man, y'all better stop playing. They got a bridge in here, you guys. Okay, and they got the leaves is cut. Perfection right up in here. Okay. Okay, look at the birds trying to get away from me. This is nice. Okay, this is nice. Make sure I jump off properly. Front tie. What y'all doing right here? Okay. All right, now hold on, man. Hold up. What we doing right now? Okay, hold up. Now, man. Let go, Minnie. Now, ain't nobody told. Look at this. we doing right here, gang? What we doing right here? What is, see, this is what I'm talking about. And then somebody built the Liberty Bridge too. There's another little bridge. This got to be the Blair Witch Project. Got to be. Let's get out of here, Minnie. What is going on out here, man? Okay, so there is another trail up there. And then we got, let's see what we got in here, man. Okay, what we got right here? Look at this. Boy, stop. Somebody built the birdhouse right here. Look at this. So there's a birdhouse right there. I'm telling y'all, man. Hold on. Uh-oh. I don't want to knock that off the trail. Look at this. Boy, they got a waterfall right here. Hold on, Minnie. Let's put you right here, man. Look at it. Boy, look at this. Hold on. Well, I'm tripping. Hold on, man. I gotta investigate. All right, man. So, if we... Let's see what they got going on in here, man. So they got a rock water. So it looks like there is a secret spot, like right up in here. This water's fresh. Look at that. Ooh! Fresh water. You know, okay, fresh. Look at that. Oh, aha! Stop playing with me. But see, if you was to come on this side, it's crazy. Look at this. Why are these pink? Look at that water. But why are these pink? Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. Look at this. Not gonna lie, the water a little dirty. Look at this though. Well, what is that down there, boy? I ain't got the right. Look at the rock. Look how the rock stacked up. I'm telling y'all, Blair Witch Projects re in effect. 2023 in the thing. Oh, I could barely get up here. So I got another trail here. There's another trail right over here. Hold on, Minnie. I'll be right back. I hear you, Minnie. I'll be right back. Boy, what is going on out here, boy? I'm telling you on gang stuff. What is this? Somebody had to come out here and put these out here because I'm telling y'all. Boy, look at that. Come on, man. I want to see if I can get up there and ring one of them. Now, this is where you want to come in and have lunch. Bow. Nobody's going to find you. Not even your boss. And they got trash cans out here. Who? What? Okay, responsible. Somebody throw their dog poop away. Okay, you know, some people leave their dog poop out here. I hate that. You feel me? They got this down. See? I don't know if y'all can see it over yonder. I don't know if y'all guys can see over yonder, but they got some more of them little stick houses. Just saying. This is crazy, okay? Chips and dip. Look at this, man. Like they try to build one right here. I'm telling you. And I'm telling you. Somebody's shoes out here. Somebody's shoes is right here. Hold on, right here. Look, uh-oh. What is in this? What is in here? Somebody's shoes right here, look. There's a heart. What is going on out here, boy? But what's going on out here, boy? So there's another trail. I don't think I can get many up this trail, so what I'm gonna have to do is probably have to see what else is down here. I don't know. Let's see, y'all. All right, stop playing with me, man. Okay, we gotta try to figure out how to get out here. Oh, another one. They go on a trail right there. It's another trail. I need to get out of here. I'm gonna try to see if I can go down here and go back the way that I came. Uh-oh. See. All right, let's try to go up the hill, y'all. Get some juice. Come on, Manny. Ooh. Man, I thought there was somebody right there, but that's a tree. I'm tripping on gang them. I thought somebody, oh no, that is somebody walking with a dog. Ha-ha! I need to get out of here right now. Here we go. Okay, what we got right here? Well, stop playing with your boy. They got a whole little pond lake out here now. Okay, what we got right here though? Cause it's a little wet right here. Oh, the pond. Oh my God. Oh, I almost fell. Boy, it's time for me to go. Jesus Christ. I almost fell, y'all. Now that would have been bad. I'm trying to dodge the mud and didn't even see, you know, they need a rail right here. They need a rail right here. Boy, I almost fell, boy. Nah. What I was gonna say, because the park didn't want me to say it seems like, but what I was gonna say was it seems like that this is leaking a little bit, right? So it leaks right up in here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I wonder what this thing, we finna ride, hold on, man. We finna go, here we go. Let's go up here, y'all. Somebody say something. Come on, Minnie. Let's go. Come on, Minnie. What is up with these turns? Oh my goodness, I would have been out of here by now. I'm tossing and turning. Okay. Okay. Your boy done made it up out of here, gang. Your boy done made it up out of here. Oh my God, look at the dog. Oh my God, look. What? What the? Oh, stop, I don't want no smoke. Look, I don't want any smoke, man. Why you bothering me? Somebody come get that child. Hey. Hey, come on, come here. Come here. Hey. Okay, look. Now look, you ain't gonna be cursing me out like that. You ain't even that old. All right? Hey. He right here. Oh, I'm sorry, where you at? I'm sorry, is this your little dog right here? Oh my God, I didn't know, okay. I didn't know that. But boy started cussing me out, boy. Your mama right there, boy. All right, you better go on. You better be glad I ain't got my belt. I'd have gave him a good little whipping. Look at mama. His mama trying to come over here and talk now. Oh, she's not, but I'm just saying. How you doing? All right, you guys. So that right there has. All right, I need to get out of here. Hey, how you doing, ma'am? All right. So that there. Okay. I've been trying to. You better go on. Yeah. You better talk that. Your mom out there. That's why you're talking that crap. Yeah. Bye. Look at him. He want to get mad at me. He mad at me? You feel me? All right, you guys. And that there has been another Terrence P episode, ladies and gents. Please, please, please do your boy a favor. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this video, do everything and above right now, y'all. It really helps me out on the algorithm. I really, really appreciate everybody for watching. I appreciate everybody for just tuning in, man. I'm trying to get to the top, and I cannot get to the top without y'all. So please, if you're not signed into YouTube, sign into YouTube and create a page for your boy. Subscribe and tell your best friend to subscribe to me, man. I'm out here in these streets, Terrence P, and I'm signing off. Peace.